Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is like develop for implementation of player movements. What we did here in last develop, what we saw was we sync the animation with the input of the user, but in here uh, we we made him move and animate at the same time. So if I press D or A, then player would move left and right while animating also, and we made him jump. And to make him jump, like we used raycast to check if he is grounded or not. So uh, here is the final thing. Okay. Mm, just a minute. Show the code. And here's the code. So like we take the input, then we use that input to animate. Okay. Uh, then we make him move to, like, we are moving with the position. There are three different types of movement that we can do. We can move with position, we can add force, and we can move with rigid body's position. So it's like not exactly adding the force, but it will check the collisions at the same time. Uh, then the we created the different function for jump and crouch. It was just an update yesterday. I think that is it.